Today's contest, the Washington Redskins take on the Chicago Bears. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Washington, the home of the Redskins. Well, Bill, you couldn't ask for nicer weather as we get ready to kick off.
Yes, you are correct.
Here's the kick.
You ready, Tim?
I am ready, Bill.
Let's go.
Ball at the 28.
First and third.
Robinson sets up wide left.
52! 52! Hut! Hut!
Makes
a catch!
And they get a nice pickup on that play.
Can't tell me! Come on!
Second and short.
Split! Split! Set! Blue! 28! 25!
Rolls left. And that'll move the chain.
First and goal.
25! 25! Set! 28! Split! Split!
Releases. Took him down.
Second and
Chicago
goal.
is in the red zone.
52! 52! Set! Hut! Hut! Hut!
Rolling left.
Look out! He's got some room!
The Redskins will take over.
First and
3-1-4 defense.
Split! Split!
Banks off his feet. And Davis.
If he didn't get tackled, he might have had a big gain in that play.
Can't argue with that, Bill.
Second down.
And here we go.
28! Height!
Banks drops back. Just destroys him.
You are correct. Could that leave a mark?
First and third.
Now that is football.
52!
Out of the shotgun.
52!
Jumps and fires. And Westbrook makes the catch. A gain of 7.
Second down.
3-1-4.
52! 52! Height!
To his left. As a receiver.
What? Most important rule for receivers? Don't drop the ball.
Third down.
That's a good one, Bill. Wing.
25!
Banks.
Right on the numbers. That was pure luck.
They line up for the field goal.
Height!
You can put it on the board. The Redskins lead by 3.
Yeah, that's right!
The Bears are set to receive. A beautiful run back. He almost had that thing broken wide open.
First and
The
third.
D is playing it safe here.
25! 25! Set! Hut! Hut! Height!
Wide open. With a huge gain.
First and
Robinson
goal.
sets up wide left.
Blue! Blue! Set! Hut! Hut! Height!
That was fast.
Come on! Man, I'll knock you on your tail!
Second and
All
goal.
they've got to do is get into the end zone, and they've got a TD.
Blue!
What?
Set! Hut! Hut! Height!
Brings him down.
Can't stop me!
End of the first quarter. The Bears are in the red zone.
Split! Split! Set! Hut! Hut! Height!
Watson. Complete for the touchdown.
Get up!
ready to receive. Ball at the 26.
You say something about my mama?
First and 30.
Let's see what they come up with this time.
48! Hey!
Thanks, Bill Westbrook.
Oh, that was fantastic.
First and 30.
25! 25!
Thanks.
If nobody tackles him, it's off to the race.
Second down.
The Redskins are in the red zone.
48! Hey!
Baby.
Oh, man, that's gotta hurt.
He is lighting it up.
52! 52!
And that's a first down.
First and
They're in the
goal.
red zone.
25! 25! Hey!
And it's good. The Bears are set to receive. Ball at the 28.
First and 30.
Blue! Blue! Set! Hut! Hut!
Baby, what a catch.
Nice tackle.
Second down.
52! 52! Set! Hut! Hut! Hut!
Jumps and fires it. Oh, Billy, you see that one?
Yeah, that was great. Hey, did I ever tell you about the
First
time
and
I bit
30.
off this guy's finger?
What? Robinson,
48,
wide left.
Set! Hut! Hut! Hut!
Miller, the Robinson.
Oh, did you see that one?
Second and
They're
short.
loading up the right side.
25! 25! Set! Hut! Hut! Hut!
Miller, it's around. Incomplete pass. I don't know about that pass.
Third
The
and
Bears
short.
are in the red zone.
Blue! 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 Split! 25! Split!
Baby, touchdown.
Right to the upright. The Redskins ready to receive. Ball at the 26.
Look at me now! I'm on top of the world!
First and 30.
Here we go.
Blue! Blue!
Banks gets sacked. They are heating up.
48! 48!
Back from center. To Davis.
Oh, baby, that was perfection.
Man, they really
You say
rattled his
something
noodle
about
on
my
that
mama?
one. Huh, Bill?
Yes.
Third down.
The Redskins down by 4.
48! 48! Fight!
What? Are you kidding me? What a disaster, Bockel. Is that a word?
He was headed upfield before he made the catch. Now in punt formation.
Fight!
Bad punt. First and 30.
First and 30.
Robinson, wide left.
25! 25! Hut! Hut! Hut!
There's a man downfield with the takedown.
You like that, huh?
Second
Here's
down.
the kick.
Fight!
Miller fires.
He goes up and over.
Go. Oh, touchdown!
How do you like me now?
Now that's a team with guts. They remind me of my playing days.
Yeah, that was a rough season and a half for you, wasn't it, Bill? Can't be brutal. Not this time. The Redskins ready to receive. First and 30. Halftime.
I'm so bad, it hurts.
The Redskins ready to receive.
And I'll knock you on your tail. Hands down me, come on.
First and 30.
The Redskins down by 10.
Blue, hi.
Banks is sacked.
Second down.
They're heating up.
25.
You can't stop these guys.
The Redskins down by 10. Driven down. Now in punt formation.
Hi.
Get him out of there.
Ball at the 30-yard line.
First and 30.
The Redskins down by 10.
48. Set. Hut.
Oh, that was spectacular.
Second down.
With the T formation.
25. Set. 48. 25. Split. Hey.
Unbelievable.
You feel good?
Third down.
2 men in the backfield.
25. Set. Hut.
And he goes down.
You like that, huh?
Fourth and
Line up the
short.
field goal.
Hey.
He could go. And that was a nice pickup on the play.
First and
If
goal.
they get in that end zone, they're going to put some points on the board in a hurry.
You come up with that all by yourself?
Hut. Hey.
With the lateral. And he's going the other way. In the end zone for the touchback.
First and 30.
Westbrook sets up wide left.
Split. Hey.
That's the bomb.
Man, I'll knock you tomorrow.
Second down.
The Bears lead by 10.
25.
Alexander.
They put a stop to that.
First and 30.
The Redskins down by 10.
48.
Banks.
Oh, man.
Second down.
Let's see what they come up with this time.
Blue. Hey.
Look easy.
Hammers him.
Did anyone hear that bell?
Badass.
Third down.
Overload.
Blue. Hey.
Jumps and throws. And the Redskins get the first down.
First and
Washington
goal.
is in the red zone.
25.
Banks.
Count it, baby. Touchdown.
Yeah, that's right. I'm a man.
And it's good.
The Bears are set to receive. A nice run back, and that ends the third quarter.
That's right. You can't mess with me. Can't stop me, you know.
First First and
The D
30.
is playing it safe here.
28, 28, set, hut, hut, hut.
Jump, fires,
Right in there.
with the big gain.
First and
Getting in
30.
the backfield.
25, 25, set, hut, hut, hut.
He's open.
Right on the number. Better to be lucky than good.
You like that?
Second
The
down.
Redskins down by 3.
Split, split, set, over, hut.
Rolling left. Nice catch. Man, I love this game.
Third
The
down.
Bears are in the red zone.
25, 25, hut, hut, hut.
And Miller is sacked.
That's right, you can't mess
Line
with
up for the field goal.
Hey!
It's up. That'll be enough for a first down.
First
The
and
Bears
goal.
are in the red zone.
Split, split, set, hut, hut, hut.
And he's going the other way. The Redskins take possession.
Can't stop me, boy.
First and 30.
Chicago ahead by 3.
Split, hut.
Knocked to the deck.
I am the baddest.
Second down.
25, hut.
15 back. Banks.
Ah,
A gain of 16.
Third and
Stack
short.
formation.
52, 52.
Banks. To Davis. First down.
First and
The
30.
Redskins down by 3.
Blue, blue, hut.
Banks. You got it. Really gets hammered.
just
Come on.
Second down.
And here we go.
52, hut.
swingers catch.
With the tackle.
Third down.
Now set to go.
Split, split, hut.
And gets it away.
Bingo, baby. Touchdown.
That's right. Woo! You feel good?
And he splits the uprights.
First and 30.
52, 52, hut, hut, hut.
Unleashes. Complete the corral.
Oh, that was spectacular.
Second down.
Trips formation.
52, 52, set, hut, hut, hut.
Backs up. Complete the corral. How'd you like that one, Bill?
Yeah, it was great.
Line up for the field goal.
Hey!
Miller delivers. They are heating up.
Second and
Oh,
short.
it's a fake.
Hey!
Miller.
Yeah! How do you like me now? You like that?
And he splits the upright.
You like that?
The
Come on, bring
Redskins
it
ready to
on.
receive. Ball at the 29.
down, punk.
First and
They'll
30.
have to move quickly here.
52, 52.
Banks. Going left. Banks. Completes to Gardner. It doesn't get any better than that.
Second
They're
down.
loading up the right side.
Split, split, hut.
To his left. In the air. Right into it. And the Redskins get the first down.
More punk?
now